to set keyboard text translation to Samsung or Google Translate on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on General Management. After click on General Management, click on Samsung Keyboard Settings. After click on Samsung Keyboard Settings, scroll down and click on Translation. After click on Translation, you will see if you want to set Google Translation, click on Google. You will see translation is set on Google. If you want to set Samsung, click on Samsung. You will see translation is set on Samsung. So you will select Google and Samsung translation from here. After selecting, go back to home screen. So that's how you can set keyboard text translate to Samsung or Google Translate on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.